Hey everyone, Dr. Kyle here with VetRec, and in this quick demo, I'm going to show you how the VetRec integration with ezyVet helps clinics move from scheduled appointments to completed medical records all in one click. But we have to start with the most important part, which is the settings page. We have to make sure that ezyVet and VetRec are connected appropriately. So if we go down over here to our settings page within VetRec, and you click ezyVet down here, we will go to team settings, and what you can see is that clinics can now enable automatic daily syncing, or you can choose the most appropriate time for VetRec to sync based on your clinic's workflow. And this is so VetRec stays aligned as appointments are moved, canceled, or updated throughout the day. Now, this may not pertain to some users, but for those of you in organizations with multiple locations, this is that area where you're going to make sure the appropriate clinic is selected here. Now, as we see here, there's excluded appointment types. So let's say, for example, you maybe don't want your technician appointments to be synced. You can go in here and select those types of visits that you don't want to show up. You're going to go in here, click technician, and you can see it there. And this allows just for better filtering of visits so you don't get unnecessary noise in your schedule. Now, this next part is very important. As we go down here, we see this piece. We need to know who you are in ezyVet. And this is done through user mapping. And this is so you can link the VetRec user to your ezyVet users. And this is so imported appointments can be assigned to the correct doctor. And that way, certain appointments aren't showing up in another doctor's column and vice versa. And an important piece to point out here is if your user does not have a VetRec account, they will not show up on the user mapping. So before you start, before you get lost in the user mapping, make sure they have a VetRec account. And as an example, I'm going to go down here to our wonderful CEO, Kevin, and I am going to link him to himself. Type in Kevin. And as you can see, he is linked here. And if I go over to the ezyVet tab here, what you can see is we have Kevin's name right here. And we go back to integrations, and we're making sure it's apples to apples. So this is how you set up the VetRec integration with ezyVet on the settings page. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how the notes go from being synced into VetRec and exported into ezyVet all with one click. So stay tuned.